Today, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 14 on your iDevice. As you can see, I'm running the new iOS 14. To install Jailbreak, you need to open the Safari browser and visit iosjailbreak.pro. Once you are there, you need to select your device model and version of iOS. Now wait a few moments to get everything ready. To complete the process, you need to install one of these apps and keep it running for about 30 seconds. So what you need to do now is download one of these apps, start it up, and when you do this, the Cydia installation will start in the background. If it doesn't work with the first app, then just try another app. You need to start the app and keep it running for about 30 seconds. If it doesn't work on the first try, just try again with a different app. As you can see, I have Cydia on my iOS device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it works for you.